My name is Abraham, reporting for Middlesex County, one of the newspaper photo editor, Covatus. I'm currently in Middlesex County. In Middlesex County. The town I'm in right now, it called Spotswood. The snow's on the floor. Even the Spotswood Mills is doing a wonderful job keeping the road as clean as possible for travelers to travel on the road. It is snowing still heavily. There are some schools that are already delayed in the East Coast. One of the school is Cranberry schools. Cranberry School have closed already. Middlesex Technical Vocational School has been closed. We don't know about Spotswood yet. They're still deciding whether they want to close the school or they want to give a delay, to be honest. If you at home watching this, trying to be safe, pray for those who are on the road, who are coming from a place to another place to make it home safely, because the road is really slippery. If you're at home, you need to buy food, please don't drive. Call to order some food from your house, from Domino's or other pizzeria, other fast food place that deliver at your house. If you have anything that could give you light for the night, such as a flashlight, a cell phone, a tablet, even some candles, please put them by your side. So tonight, in case the power goes out, so you have some light in the house to go from one place to another place. If you don't have any emergency, stay home. Trying to not drive tonight, unless, once again, like I said, if it's an emergency. In the meantime, stay home, stay tuned. My name is Abraham. I'm one of the Covatus editor. I'll see you guys shortly. Stay tuned.